Hey, it's Anthony again. Let me get me a camera. I know I look like a terrorist again, but what the fuck are you gonna do? Alright, well, I got my gun again. I noticed some deer tracks around here. Figured I'd check it out. Look at the woods, it's nice and pretty, isn't it? Fuck, ow. Sorry about that, I tripped. Oh, I didn't see the tracks, but... Holy shit, what is that? Oh my gosh, dude. Look at this fucking thing. It's nasty. Dude, I don't even know what this fucking thing is. Let's poke it. Holy shit! No, I got. Oh, fuck my gun! Oh, shit! Oh, shit! Don't! No!